Ever wish for a magic wand to craft, design, and innovate? That's generative AI for you, helping you build worlds, paint canvases, and even compose symphonies. If you want to uncover these gems, keep watching. Generative AI is like the friendly neighbor, lending a hand with your day-to-day tasks, making life just a bit easier and a lot more fun. It's pulling the weight of the mundane, giving you more time to spend on what you love. You're penning down an email and voila! The AI kicks in, finishing your sentences, correcting your grammar, making sure you sound like a pro. It's not about big machines and complex codes. It's about the small joys, the easy breezes through tasks that used to take your time and patience. And it's not just about the words, it's about the tunes too. You fancy some music and generative AI is there, creating playlists that match your mood, discovering new songs that make your heart beat. It's about experiencing the magic of music, each note a surprise, each tune a new journey. Now, think about shopping. The ordeal of going through countless products to find the right one. Well, not anymore. AI is there, recommending products that suit your taste, your style, finding the perfect fit for you. It's like having a personal shopper, knowing your preferences, guiding you to the right choice. The magic of generative AI is also about safety. It's helping create safer online spaces, monitoring content, and keeping the unwanted and harmful at bay. It's like having a guardian looking out for you, making sure your online experience is smooth and secure. And for those who love a good meal, AI is your culinary companion, suggesting recipes that match your taste buds, guiding you to cook up a storm in the kitchen. It's about savoring new flavors, experiencing the joy of cooking without the hassle of deciding what to cook. You can create amazing artistic wonders. Generative AI is like a creative buddy for anyone with a spark of imagination. It's changing the game for people wanting to express themselves artistically. It's the invisible hand guiding us, helping us draw out our thoughts, our feelings, our expressions, translating them into unique pieces of art and music. This technology is not here to steal the spotlight, but to share the stage with us, to amplify our creative voice. It's enabling artists to explore uncharted territories in the world of art. The combination of human emotion and AI's infinite capabilities is generating artworks that speak volumes, that resonate, that tell a story. It's like having a jam session with a friend who never runs out of ideas. Musicians are using generative AI to compose tunes that are fresh, vibrant, and soulful. It's reshaping the soundscapes, introducing new rhythms, new harmonies, creating music that moves, that inspires. And it's not just about the professionals. It's empowering everyday people, giving a creative outlet to those who might not have one. It's breaking down the barriers, making the act of creating art and music accessible to everyone. It's a friendly nudge to those who are shy to pick up a brush or hit a note, saying, hey, give it a go, create something beautiful. It's the silent whisper encouraging us to express more, to feel more, to be more. It's about finding that creative spark within and fanning it into a blazing fire of expression. It's opening doors to worlds we didn't know existed, allowing us to experience art and music in its purest form, in its rawest emotion. In essence, generative AI is the companion we didn't know we needed in our artistic journey. It's the collaborator, the co-creator, bringing a new perspective, a new dimension to our creations. It's enriching our artistic experience, making the process of creating not just about the outcome, but about the journey, about the exploration, about the discovery. How about the advancement in gaming innovations? Generative AI is reshaping the gaming landscape. It's not just about better graphics or more realistic characters. It's about building entire worlds, custom-made experiences, and dynamic stories that keep us on the edge of our seats. In the realm of gaming, generative AI is like a backstage magician, silently weaving intricate, immersive worlds that spring to life at our command. It's changing the game by designing environments and characters that are richer and more detailed, offering experiences tailor-made to our preferences and playstyles. It's not just adding layers to our games, it's creating a canvas where every stroke is a new possibility. For gamers, this means every adventure is fresh, every quest is unique. It's about exploring worlds that adapt and evolve, that react and respond, making every game a journey of discovery. It's like walking into a story that's written just for you, where every twist and turn is a surprise waiting to be uncovered. This advanced tech allows developers to push the boundaries, to think beyond the conventional, and to create games that are not just played, but lived. It's empowering them to break the mold, to explore uncharted territories in game design. It's not about following a blueprint, it's about drawing the map as we go along. And the best part? It's not reserved to the gaming giants. Even indie developers are harnessing the power of generative AI to craft games that leave us awestruck. It's leveling the playing field, giving every creator the tools to build worlds that captivate and inspire. Learning is evolving thanks to generative AI, making the process more tailored and engaging. This advanced tech is becoming a game changer for students and lifelong learners alike. Generative AI creates learning materials that are customized just for you. It understands that everyone's brain ticks a little differently, and what works for one might not work for another. So, whether you're grappling with geometry or struggling with Shakespeare, it's got your back, offering resources that make complex ideas simple and fun. It's guiding you through new concepts and helping you master them at your own pace. This AI buddy isn't just about textbooks and quizzes. It's mixing things up with interactive experiences, making learning feel like play. The beauty of generative AI in education is its ability to adapt. It observes, learns, and tweaks its approach to fit your unique learning style. It's like a tutor who's in tune with how you think and learn, always ready to turn challenges into a piece of cake. But it's not just about academic learning. Ever wanted to play the guitar or speak Italian? Generative AI is here to help, offering personalized lessons and practice sessions. It opens doors to new skills and hobbies, making the learning journey enjoyable and rewarding. We're living a creative revolution where our imaginations and AI blend to create the extraordinary. Excited to navigate through more technological wonders? Hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.